In this video, I am sharing my tips for the 25 days of planner tips collaboration, Planner RUT, Planner Funk. Hello, I'm Katie and welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. This collaboration was created by Tamra at The Paper and Pen Girl. Thank you so much, Tamra, for including the Planner channel. Make sure you go over to The Paper and Pen Girl to watch the first video and the last video in the collab series. There will be a playlist below. When you go to watch the last video in the collab, there will be a giveaway drawing, so make sure you check out that one from The Paper and Pen Girl. Today, you should be coming over from Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and then after this video, head on over to Mojo Jojo Plans. So Tamra gave us 4 questions to answer in this video, and the first question is this: do you think they're the same, a planner RUT and a planner funk? Yes, I do. Basically, I feel like a planner RUT and a planner funk is the same. Your planner system just isn't working for you, and it's just getting you out of sync instead of getting you in sync. The second question is, have you experienced it before? I'm going to say yes. However, for the past 5 years, I have not missed a day creative planning. Wait a minute. Wait, go back. For 5 years, you have been using your planner and you haven't missed a day. You have to explain this. We want to know. So when I watch this back, I'm like, Katie, you're gonna skip right past that? That's so important. Doesn't everyone want to know how to do that? How to use your planner all the time? Let me explain what I meant by that. For the past 5 years, I have used my main planner every day in some way or another. So that means I either had planned ahead, I back planned, I decorated, I wrote in my planner, I scribbled, I put washi tape, I did something, not necessarily on that day, either ahead or back planning. I kind of do a lot of back planning, I guess. I write notes in daily when I can. If I can't, it might be the next day, or sometimes I will go back and fill things in because I'm tracking things, and that's important. Like, I probably do like half and half planning ahead, half back planning or tracking things or writing in notes. So yes, for the past 5 years solid, I have 5 solid planners that are the ones I'm using for my main planner, that have something on every single day. There were definitely days when, other things go on, or you're sick or whatever, and you don't write on the day, but I have used my planners the entire time, and here's why. Stickers. Wait, let me tell you why stickers. How are stickers the solution to planning? It's because they're fun. Because before that, planning was just another thing I had to do. I would use a planner as just like a calendar. I would put in dates of things that I couldn't miss, appointments basically. But what made the difference was when I switched to decorative planning, because now it's so much fun. And that's what gets me looking at my planner every day, or almost every day, or at least decorating a week ahead and then back planning, or however I'm using the planner. That's been the key for me, that planning became a fun thing instead of more work to do. And now I love it. It's so much fun. Like last night, I took out a couple of planners, brought them in the bedroom with me with a stack of stickers, and I just watched YouTube and played with stickers, right? That was planning, but it gets you looking at your planner, planning ahead. And what that does for you is, even if you're not going to do all the plans that you made for yourself, you're probably going to do a lot more than you would have had you not made any plans, had you not looked at your planner, had you not, put your reminders in your planner and looked at your reminders. Sometimes there's so much we have going on. I know I'm like I'm doing way too much. I need to take a step back. And you probably are too. We are just over scheduled with work and life and the people we have to take care of and all the things at home and dealing with, the pandemic and everything. So sometimes you just have to take a step back and realize that you've done a lot more than you would have done without your planning. So using stickers and doing a decorative planner has helped me stay using my planner much more than getting into a funk. So let me share my experience. This is question number 3, as to when I've felt like I've been in a planner funk. And that is, for me, overwhelm. When I get to where I'm doing too many things, all the places, I get so excited about doing too much as far as my planning goes. I have a main planner, and then a to-go planner, and then a business planner, and goals planner, and journaling planner, and budgeting planner, and I get doing way too much. Question number 4 is share what you do to stay out of that planner funk. So here is my tip. Go back to basics and keep it simple. For me, that's when I'm doing too many things, and I take it back to 2 planners, one for my main schedule and one for my big goals that I'm working on. I just let go of everything else and keep it simple. So if you feel like you're overwhelmed with too many different plans and too many different things, simplify it down to 1 or 2 planners and put everything in there so you're not trying to go all over the place. I like it to where I have a single planner for my main schedule. Basically, it's focused on where my time is going, and the second planner is focused on what my goals are, tracking them, and using my time that I have blocked off in my main planner to complete my tasks for my goal. I also have a simple planning system that I use to keep it basic, keep it simple. It's a 4-step planning process, and I call it the Power Plan system. Here's what it means. PLAN stands for priorities, lists, assignments, and notes. And those are the 4 steps that I use for planning my week in my planner. First, I write a list of all my priorities in different categories so that I know what's important to me. Next, I take that priorities list and create a task list of everything I need to accomplish underneath each of those priorities. Third, I assign each of the tasks to my planner as though they're appointments and meetings. So time blocking in my planner for each of the tasks under each of the priorities in my planner. Then each day I write in my notes, track my progress, check things off, and stay on track as to what I've accomplished and what I did not accomplish. If you want to learn more about the Power Plan system, I will have a link in the description for you to get a free Power Plan checklist, and I will also link a video up here that you can watch that goes into more detail about the Power Plan system. So I want to know, have you experienced a planner rut or planner funk? Leave a comment down below and tell me what happened when you experienced this planner funk and how did you get out of it? Thank you so much again to Tamra at the Paper and Pen Girl. Make sure you head on over to Mojo Jojo Plans next to watch her video in the collab. In the description box, I will have a link to the Power Plan checklist, a link to Tamra's first video in the collab, yesterday's video from Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and a link to a playlist with all of the collab participants so that you can get all the good planning information from everyone. If you liked this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!